Galaktoboureko Parcels with an Ouzo Syrup. Let's go! Let's begin by making the syrup. Combine sugar, water, your favourite ouzo and orange rind. Boil it until it thickens. Moving on to the Galaktoboureko Parcels, grab a single sheet of filo pastry and brush it with butter. Fold the filo in half and brush it again, then cut it down the centre. Overlap the two halves to create a cross shape and place it over your cupcake tin, pressing down gently with your fingers. Scoop in the delicious semolina custard and gather and scrunch the overhanging pastry to seal in the parcels. Brush each parcel with additional butter and bake until gorgeous and golden. Pour over the delicious ouzo-infused syrup. Reserving a small amount to serve. Enjoy!